Well, it is Tuesday and I am back in the office. I was in Middlesex County, New Jersey this morning representing a client. Now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey. Going to be in Delaware County tomorrow and then in Philadelphia on Friday. So a busy week for us, as always, in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. With that said, received a question regarding what to do when a police officer or detective contact me or my family regarding criminal charges or to talk about a criminal case. And I've discussed this with clients at various times, and my advice remains the same. Do not say anything. And that is the quickest piece of advice that I can give you, but it's probably the most important. Now, with that said, this isn't your opportunity to be disrespectful to the officer or to argue with the officer. Just simply tell the officer that you're going to retain counsel and that person will reach out to you at a later time. Ask for the officer's name and contact information. You don't have to ask for a badge number. People all the time, just tell me, oh, I have the officer's badge number. Well, I mean, unless it's a very, very common name, but usually just a contact information is enough. And simply end the conversation there. Do not answer any questions. Do not get into the case. Do not feel it's your opportunity to discuss your side of the story. Remember, the police are not interested in your side of the story if they're questioning you about a potential crime or an allegation against you. They're doing an investigation, and more than likely, they're just trying to gather information to establish probable cause to support an arrest warrant or summons to come out and to send you a summons to appear in court. So those are two situations that ultimately may occur. That's nothing to be nervous about. Obviously, you're going to be concerned, especially if you've never been charged with a crime before. But the key is not to discuss the case with the officer because you're giving information freely, and it's not privileged information. Remember that police officers, while we respect the jobs that they do, any conversation with them is obviously not privileged. Like a conversation that you have with an attorney, even an attorney who you have not yet retained, there is a doctrine there regarding confidentiality that every court will recognize, and keep that in the back of your mind that only few professions enjoy that privileged communications: attorneys, doctors, and members of the clergy. Outside of that, I believe maybe CPAs in some circumstances, but I think it's very limited. But obviously, attorneys cover a wide variety of confidentiality, more than, say, even a physician would, because it has to be for the purpose of medical treatment. But an attorney, you can pretty much tell practically anything. I can't think of an instance where it would not be covered by privilege. But remember that. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Website, gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, if you are stopped by police, do not give consent to search your car or your person or your property. Again, do it in a respectful way, but again, make it clear you're not giving consent. If the officer wants to search the car, do not get in his or her way. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Tuesday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.